Simultaneous 10-hour concerts, the world's best acts, and more than $5 million in goodwill. Sound Relief was a show of unity and spirit and incredible star power.
Molly Meldrum presented at both the Sydney and Melbourne concerts and took us backstage for this Weekend Sunrise exclusive.
Believe this, it's 11 o'clock Saturday morning in Melbourne, and it seems it hasn't rained in Melbourne for years, but that's great because we've been wanting the rain, so maybe Sound Relief has given us the rain. You're doing the set here, and then I'm actually travelling with you on the plane up to Sydney.
Between the four of us and you, we can knock back a few vodkas in that period.
No, we won't be at all, Nick, and I'll see you on stage.
Take my hand and call me because you look so fine. I don't really want to make you mine.
It's an incredible concert. I think it's the best festival we've ever had in this country. And it's crazy when you read the lineup. You know, you got Jack Johnson. I'm a big Jack Johnson fan.
Oftentimes we're lazy.
And Kings of Leon are here.
You know that I keep
Excuse me, sir, are you fine? Have you fastened your seatbelt?
It's a little bit loose. Would you like to get your hand rolled?
No, I certainly do not. Okay, here we are at the SGG. Yes, we've arrived.
We just want to wish a great and no doubt moving evening to all of you, performers and crowd alike.
Our thoughts and prayers are with you all.
And Kylie's now going to sing I Still Call Australia Home. Wow.
I still call Australia. I still call Australia. I still call Australia.
What about this?
This is pretty special, mate.
Indeed.
We've covered a few shows over
We
the
have
years.
indeed. And 9 and 7 are together and we're hugging each other.
We are.
You haven't turned, have you? All I can say is thank you from the bottom of my heart for you both coming out, you know?
Oh, goodness.
Well,
It's the least we could do. I'm just so happy that I could get here and be part of it.
I think we both feel that way.
Yeah.
It's a day every Australian who loves music should be very proud of. Okay, thank you.
How about Bazza Gibb up there on stage? That's fantastic.
I love Livy. Isn't she
Livy's
beautiful?
lovely. Livy's very, very
love her.
lovely. And Island's in the Stream. I mean, karaoke favourite, isn't it? Beautiful.
Absolutely. Now, both concerts raised more than $5 million for the bushfire and flood appeals. A lot of people have written in this morning asking if the concerts will be available on DVD. The answer is yes.
Oh, good.
They'll be on store shelves soon.
Fantastic. What was your highlight, Sammy?
I watched it on TV in Sydney when Coldplay sang and Chris Martin in the middle of one of his songs jumped down into the crowd and just ran the length of the SCG. Security guards went crazy. Look, and everyone chasing him. This was brilliant. He is really cool. I loved it. I loved watching it.
What a lot of fun, huh?
Can you imagine being in that crowd? He almost got trampled. It was a complete security nightmare.
Absolutely.
What an experience.
Luckily he made it back to the stage. They could have just crowd surfed him right over the Paddington Inn and out the door.
He got
down to the Doncaster Hotel.
He got jammed into a gate. He was like called it the sheep at one stage. But he finally got back and then he actually sat down at the piano. I don't know if he sat down at his piano and started to play and sing again because the rest of the band just kept on playing while he was running around. And he was so exhausted. He started to sing and then just collapsed on the top of the piano and everyone had to...
He looks a little schwitzy, I got to say. It was very steamy yesterday too.
Yes. Very heavy thunderstorms in Sydney last night.
Absolutely. Yeah, great. Beautiful footage. I love seeing Peter Garrett up there again too, wasn't it? Good to see that, you know, he didn't feel compelled to toe the line.
Yes.
They brought out all the old lyrics in their original form. Yeah, fantastic.
Absolutely. Now, coming up, Kylie's latest role, the new female fifth